Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the carrot beetroot amla juice. This is something that you definitely need to try during breakfast in empty stomach. For this, I've taken 2 large amlas nicely washed and chopped into small pieces. Next, I top this up with some medium-sized beetroot which is nicely chopped. I then add some carrots which are nicely chopped. I preferably use Ooty carrots because they are more juicy. To this I add some ginger which is nicely chopped into small pieces, which this would aid digestion. I top this up with some lemon juice for tangy taste and vitamin C content. Then I add some salt for taste, top this up with some pepper and nicely add some water so that all of this submerges completely. It's time to grind this nicely. After grinding, I run it through a sieve so that all the hard particles are completely taken off. To this, I'm also going to add some honey. Honey is completely optional depending on how sweet you want the drink to be. Our 100% detox carrot amla beetroot juice is ready to be had.